Hey guys, welcome everyone. This is a little bit of a different video than you're used to from me regarding our vending industry, our coin-op people. And I am out at my ranch right now, as we call it. No, there are no cows and there's not even a horse out here, but it's where we decompress and certainly come on the weekends. And got a warehouse, got a couple of brand new shops we've put together as lots of new projects are coming in the near future for us. So, but anyways, getting down to business, why I have been thinking about posting a video like this with a special announcement. I mentioned it before. How many of you guys in the old days had a Rolodex? Well, several of you raised your hand, including me. I actually have two Rolodexes, a little bit of different purposes, but same industry. And anyways, it's nice to have a backup. We all pay insurance. My website is backed up daily just in case something happens, and it can. Knock wood, it hasn't happened to my vending website yet, but some of my other unrelated sites, advertising and that, I've had issues with. So I got to thinking, watching TV the other night, we are all together through the groups, and I'm not going to mention the platform because I value my groups, I value my account, I don't want to lose it. But anyways, you guys know the groups I'm talking about. There are many of them. I have several of my own. Of course, the big one for us is the Coin Changer group, because we sell a lot of change machines. But what if one day we woke up and for some reason there was a change? They either started charging people to become a member of this platform that we are all on. What if they started charging to be a member of the groups, or even to have your own group, like I have several? But anyways, there's no rumor of this. This is not going to happen tomorrow. It could happen one day, it may never happen. So as a little bit of insurance, what I have done, and I welcome everybody, is I have put up an online forum. The forum is similar to our groups, except everything we ever can imagine having to do with our industry is on one site. Whether you are in the full line end of it, whether you have ATMs, whether you have amusement games or jukeboxes from the golden age, the silver age, the CD era, or internet jukeboxes. In other words, what I'm getting at is everything basically coin operated is a part of this page. You can be active. I will be active, but there's going to be no change in my activity in the groups that most of you know me in today. So the new forum is www.coinopforum.com. This is going to be a little bit of an insurance policy for all of us, myself included, as I am a distributor. I make my living from sales and service. I welcome all of my other fellow distributors, refurb shops, equipment salespeople. I will have a special program for you guys as far as advertising and links people can find your own websites on. But as far as the categories in the forum, I've added a couple of dozen so far. It's going to be a little easier to find because there is a search feature. Let's say you have an AMS combo number 39 snack soda machine and you want to know about the programming. You're going to be able to search under AMS support, and you're going to have all those threads and all those posts that have been put up. So it's going to be a little bit easier to use. Once again, this is just a backup. Could you imagine losing your phone, not being able to recover your contacts? Well, happened to me once. I fell, hit a curb at night, couldn't see it, dropped my phone, broke the glass. Well, unbeknownst to me, I went to Sprint the next day. They couldn't turn it on. They couldn't recover my contacts. So for probably 3 months, and I still haven't recovered them all because I have 1,200, or I had 1,200 contacts in that phone. I think I'm only up to 600 now. So anyways, if you lost all memory on these groups, let's say somebody hacked your account, it's a pain. So we will always have the CoinOp forum to be backed up. We will still all be able to be together at some point, just in case something transpires. We are in a little bit of an unstable environment now. Any of you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm not a political guy, so we're not even going to go there. But anyways, guys, I look forward to seeing you. I think we have, you know, the big group has 25,000 people in it. Our full line group, I think it's 16, 17, 18,000. The classified groups have about 10,000 each, but there's a lot of overlap. So my thought is now that as far as active people on our set of groups, it's got to be 15,000, because a lot of people come and go and they may not take themselves out of the group. So I would really think that within the next 6 months we could see 10,000 of these people join our forum. There's still going to be instant messaging. You can get a hold of a member, you can ask a question, you can send a picture to somebody to say, gee, what's this wire go to? So really there's no limitations, and it may even have more options than the plateau or platform that we're using now. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to make this long. CoinOp forum, I'll put a link down below, and I look forward to seeing everybody there. Come one, come all. If you want to be active, great. If you just want to join, do a little reading and kind of keep it in the back, just in case, you'll always be able to be connected to all these people and all these valuable resources. So guys, dealers, etc., get a hold of me. I will have a program for you to advertise your websites, etc. And once again, look forward to all of you being there. Doug at Doug's World Tour, vending channel. Now with our own forum, the CoinOp forum, but it's not with a THE, it's just www.coinopforum.com. Thanks, guys.